REKR stock analysis. Is it a buy or not for Friday and onwards? Let's talk about Rekor Systems. I mean, I do see a 7.4% decrease in price. Context, I've gotten thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And after a little correction of the price, pretty much top the tops again, which is cool. And if you watch like my previous video on REKR, I really began calling the, was like a long side guy when it was at just beneath $2. And then, you know, it just delivered towards the highs, which is fine. I mean, I look to double down on this. Even it coming back down inside my demand area was just a lethal weapon. But when it started to gap up, my rules were just not met and it just went without me. But beforehand, I obviously did have this proof. Again, it was all colored on my YouTube channel for free. Which this was made at least like one back a month ago. So it's at the beginning of the year. So that's that. And yeah, what I'm looking to is just continue double down on this. On the long side, if there's like a deeper retracement inside my demand, that would work. But other than that, everything is noise. So if you do want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter.